Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to fix Facebook videos not playing on iPhone. So to get started, first of all, check your internet connection, make sure it's stable, and then go ahead and open your app store and then search for Facebook, and if the update is available there, update your Facebook application. You can also restart your phone. Doing so will help you fix your Facebook videos not playing on your iPhone. So that's all guys. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.